morning. It's Tuesday, May 4th, and we are going to start our day today in math with a warm-up. So we are going to, I'm going to bring that up right now actually for you. You actually can take out a line sheet of paper just to answer these few questions. There's not very many. And then we'll go over those answers, and then we'll go over the rest of the agenda. So if you need to, it is linked right here at number 1 if you would like it larger, if you're in person on the screen for students to see. Otherwise, I'm going to show you right here. Exit out. And you're going to answer these 4. And honestly, you could probably talk about it in your crew together if you'd like. Otherwise, try it on your own on that line sheet of paper, and I'll meet you back here with the answers. Okay, so here we go. For your warm-up, number 1, probability near 0 indicates an event that is blank to happen. So for number 1, you should have put letter C, unlikely. So it says near 0, not at 0, near 0. So that's an unlikely event, letter C. Number 2, a number cube, dice is rolled. What is the probability of rolling a 1, 3, or 5? Well, you know there are 6 numbers on a number cube, and your probability of rolling a 1, 3, or 5 would be 3 out of 6, or 1/2 reduced, letter B. Number 3, a coin is tossed. Find the probability that it lands on heads and write your answer as a percent this time. So if it lands on heads, that's only going to occur possibly once out of the 2 outcomes you have available on the coin, which is heads and tails. So 1 out of 2, 1/2, and your answer would be 50%. Number 4, a number cube, dice again, is rolled. And what is the probability of not rolling a 4? So once again, just like number 2, you have 6 numbers on a number cube. And if you are not going to roll a 4, that means you have 5 other numbers on that number cube. So the probability of not rolling a 4 would be 5 out of 6. And then you notice your answer choices are in decimal form. So 5 out of 6 as a decimal, if you were to divide that out, that's 0.83, 0.83, letter C, which means you have an 83% chance of not rolling a 4 on the number cube. Okay, so I'm going to head back to the agenda here, and let's talk about the rest of what's going on today. So our learning target is still, I can find the probability of a simple event and its complement. So yesterday in lesson 1, we talked about different examples of simple events, the probability of those. And today, for your second day on lesson 1, we're going to talk about complements. So the second half of your learning target. So you are going to need to get your book, page 713, there we go, 713, and a calculator. And then I will meet you back on the next video with your book ready to go. And we will go through some problems again concerning complement and what that means with probability. And then I'll explain the rest of the agenda after we finish the book work. So I will meet you back in the second video with your book.